I am totally humbled as I reflect on the incredible privilege it has been to serve our great nation, Nigeria, in the noble profession of arms. I'm eternally grateful to the President and Commander-in-Chief, His Excellency Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for the immeasurable honor and trust reposed in me to serve as the Chief of Defense Staff. I'm also thankful to the Nigerian Army and the entire armed forces for the opportunity to serve for almost 4 decades. I want to also thank my successors, the current Chief of Defense Staff and the service chiefs. I extend my heartfelt congratulations and unwavering support. I want to thank the Vice President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, members of the National Assembly, the Executive, the Judiciary, all lovers of Nigeria. The security of our nation is in capable of hands, and I urge you all personnel to extend them the same loyalty, dedication, and professionalism you showed me. My journey will have been impossible without the support of my family. My dear wife, Mrs. Ogogo Lilia Musa, and my wonderful children, Kuyet Yashim Bobai and Indi, have been my fortress and sanctuary. They bore the burden of my long absence, the anxiety of my deployments, and the constant concern for my safety. You are the unsung heroes of my service, and I owe you a debt of love that can never be fully repaid. To the gallant officers, men and women of the armed forces, the true heroes of our nation, this day belongs to you all. I've been privileged to work among giants. I've witnessed your raw courage in the face of danger, your resilience in the most audacious conditions, and your unwavering commitment to the unity and peace of our loving country, Nigeria. You are the best of us, and it has been the highest honor of my life to be your comrade and your leader. I urge you to never lose faith, to remain steadfast in your duty, and to always uphold the core values of loyalty, sacrifice, and selfish service. Defeat is temporary. Victory is forever. Continue to believe in Nigeria, for it is a nation worth fighting for. I also wish to acknowledge the resilience and support of the Nigerian people, especially our teeming youths. Your prayers, encouragement, and unwavering belief in a better, safer Nigeria have been the wind beneath our wings. I extend a special appreciation to the Nigerian media for being a vital partner in the quest for national security, and to all other security agencies for a robust synergy. I want to specifically mention the Nigerian Police, the DSS, the NIA, the DIA, and all other security agencies that have contributed one way or the other in making my tour of duty successful. I say a big thank you. As I hang my uniform today, I do so with a clear conscience, knowing that I gave my all. I live with cherished memories of camaraderie, of battles fought, and of triumphs celebrated as one family. The sound of the bugle might change for me, but the soldier's heart beats on forever. I might be retiring from active military service today, but I'm by no means retiring from my love for our dear country, Nigeria. I remain a soldier at heart and a patriot ever loyal to the constitution and sovereignty of our great nation. Once again, I appreciate Mr. President for the opportunity to serve as the Chief of Defense Staff for 2 years plus. It has been a great honor, and I don't take that for granted. And I assure him of our loyalty. Even out of service, we will continue to contribute to ensure that the armed forces and other security agencies are able to perform their task credibly. Today's parade was a showcase of the professionalism that the military is known for. And I thank the Chief of Defense Staff and the services for putting together such a remarkable and lavish farewell ceremony in my honor. I wish to also thank the Minister of Defense, the Minister of State Defense, the Acting Permanent Secretary, Minister of Defense, the entire staff of Ministry of Defense, Federal Minister of Foreign Affairs, Minister of Interior Affairs, and all other MDAs that have supported us in the quest of bringing peace to our dear country, Nigeria. I want to state this clearly, that there is no single institution, no single organization can win this war fight alone. We must synergize, we must collaborate, we must fight together. And I appeal to all Nigerians to pray for our troops, to pray for our security forces, so that we can win, and together we shall succeed. Nigeria shall continue to develop. Finally, I wish to thank the Almighty God for His divine protection and sustaining grace throughout the course of my career, even as I lean on Him for the next phase of my life. Long live the Nigerian Armed Forces. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless you all.
Why are you following out?